guys. Today is Saturday, November 23rd. 23rd. It's a week out until Thanksgiving. If you believe in Thanksgiving, I hope you have a fun meal with your family. I hope you have a great time watching the Thanksgiving parade at Macy's that they do every year. I watch it every year, so I think it's fun to watch that. But today's a full cool crafty vlog because I'm right here doing some DIYs, you guys. I made some cute little snowflake DIYs that you're gonna love. I just did the video. I just edited the video a little bit, and right now I'm editing this video along with this video. So this crafty studio vlog is gonna be so much fun, showing you how the aftermath of crafting. I'm doing DIYs. Some of the DIYs take forever to do, you guys, like forever. So right here, I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of the video. If you go watch the video, I really would appreciate it. After I look at this snowflake. It's so pretty. All the embellishments on this bad boy, it looks great. So I did a video all about that. So I hope you watch that. Hope you have fun watching that. Thanks for watching this video. So let's get started on this crafty studio vlog. If you don't know my name by now, my name is Dee Dee's Crafts. My life as a craft artist. So let's get started on this vlog. Doing these DIY snowflakes for a couple of days now. Look how beautiful they turned out, you guys. Go watch the whole video on my channel. I would appreciate it. This is so cute. This is one of my favorite ones, and this is also my favorite because I made the bow. I can make tiny bows, you guys. I make tiny bows all the time, and they're cute and they look wonderful. And this is like a little emoji snowflake, right? So cute. I love it. It was so much fun making this stuff for my channel, and I can't wait to put this on the wall to decorate my room for Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. I love saying that. And also, I'm going to do a cool video for you guys to make it fun and pop. So for your room to make, you know, to have good decor in your room. I love decorating my room now. So it was so much fun. Look at the aftermath, you guys. I got everything out. I got the googly eyes out. I have all the snowflake stickers right here. These are snowflake stickers. I just did a haul on that. Go watch that video. And then also, I bought these at Dollar Tree. These are really pretty pearls and gems and bedazzled. And then some pretty pink ones behind there. So then I got this all out right here that I used. The snowflakes I just bought from Dollar Tree. I wish I would have got more, but this is so, I love doing little projects like this. And then I got these out because I thought I was going to use this for the mouth and the snowflake. I don't know. I might still do that. I don't know. But also I got these embellishments out all from Dollar Tree. These are from Dollar Tree, right? Obviously. The Crafter's Corner. And then I got these from Michael's. Let me just turn this around. It's from Michael's. I bought this a while ago, like at least 10 years ago, or maybe longer. I just started getting some crafting supplies out that I've been using, and I haven't been using. And then this I just bought a couple days ago. And then I just bought these a couple days ago, and this a couple days ago. And I just love and then I have all these embellishments I had from Michael's that I had from a long time ago. I did use some pearls right there for the mouth. And it was so much fun decorating this DIY. And I got some, you know, some other things. I got pom-poms out. I thought I was going to use these pom-poms, but I did not use these. These are really pretty. I'm going to use them on a different project. Oh, my snowman project. I'm going to do that. DIY snowman and DIY felt gingerbread and gingerbread woman. So, and then I got the tacky glue out. This is a good glue. Use this. I love E6000 too. I haven't not bought that in a long time. So, this is one of my, I just love this one the most because I made that bow, you guys. The flowers I got from Michael's in the dollar section back in the day when they had a dollar section. And then this is so cute. I love this. So thank you guys for watching this video. I had so much fun showing you my little DIYs. I'm doing some really cool videos for you guys for my craft vlogs. I don't have a craft room yet. I don't even have a studio yet. So I'm just going to say this is a little craft studio until I get one. So I'm doing some DIYs on here for once. So thank you so much, you guys. I'm having fun. So I'll talk to you guys later. I need to go watch some movies right now and take a break from crafting. My mom's back there watching some movies right now. She just watched the Walt Disney cartoon Tangled. I think it's called, yeah, Tangled. And then she watched some other cartoons that I'm going to be doing. So look how cute this. I just can't believe how cute I did this. You guys. I made some crafting things on my channel. So I love this so much. I hope I can do some more things in it. I'm going to show you some more things I did in this room so you can see how much fun I'm having fun in here. This is what I did. I started decorating my room. Look at these beautiful. I bought these at Dollar Tree. I don't know why it's kind of dirty like that. I didn't do nothing to that. That's how I got that. But these are beautiful. I love my snowman. I'm really decorating this room really fun. You guys. And also, let me show you my closet. It's so much better. You guys, look at this closet. It's so much better. I'm so happy about it. I'm still going to take some stuff out of this closet, but I just put stuff in here for right now. I got these little shelvings that I'm going to put over there on the other side of the room. But I got my sticker paper for my business right there, my copy paper. I got my own like cute little embellishments up there. So I'm going to get this closet even better than this. So I'm just in my room showing you things I need to show you. So I hope you guys have fun decorating your room as well. My Winter Wonderland cup out. This is all my winter stuff I did. I'm decorating so much, you guys. You can tell I'm decorating the room for Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. Next year, I'm going to do better than this, you guys. I think this is a good idea to do it this way. My fake fireplace actually does work. I got batteries, and I love it so much. And I just love the decorations I got out so far. I mean, this could be a lot better than this, but, you know, when you got on a budget, you got to do what you got to do, you guys. And then I got this right here. I showed this in another video, you guys. So, yeah. Sketch started out because I'm doing a Sketch Artist Fridays video. It's a winter one that I love. This is a hint. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know what I'm talking about. It is Dee Dee's Winter Wonder Globe. I do this every year. I've been doing it since 2016 or maybe 15. I can't remember the dates, but I love it so much. I love the title of this sketch diary because I think it's a diary of your art. Oh, that is so cool to say, the diary of your art. That was just so true. I love that. So, sketch diary is what I got right here. And I want to show the inserts that I try to draw. I'm trying to make a really cool insert for this, for the next video I'm going to work on. I'm just looking through the sketchbook and see what I want to do to improve my art. I haven't touched this sketchbook in a long time. And this is an old one. And it's not done yet. I have not finished it at all, you guys. So I'm trying to work on some really cool globe winter, you know, like these kind of videos for you guys. I want to do something really cool and wonderful. You guys want to click on my videos and watch it. So let's open up this sketch diary and show you some things. Let's do the cover first. I want to show what I did, what I tried to draw for you guys. Hopefully you guys like it. See right here, that's one of the drawings. But I have more than this. I can't find them all, but I did draw a few of these for you guys to see. So let's show you this girl. It says, follow the sketch, which I love seeing that. Hello, craft artist. That's what you guys are and what I am too. And then it says, welcome to my sketch diary, which I love. She's supposed to be right in the middle of clouds, and it's supposed to be like a little sign. It's really cool. That's the artwork. She's not done. You can tell I've erased a lot on this drawing. And then on this side, it's just the same thing, same kind of concept. Just follow your sketch. Hello, craft artist. Welcome to my sketch diary. She's supposed to be, that's supposed to be the moon or the sun. I can't remember. She's supposed to be a cloud. Her outfit's supposed to be a dress like a cloud. And she's sitting on a cloud. And it's so hard to draw. You can tell I've been drawing this for a while. Look at the date on that bad boy. No, October 6th, 2022. And now it's almost 2025. So I am really slow on art, you guys. So that's what it looks like for the beginning. Let me show the rest of this, and I'll be right back. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this part of my studio vlog. Oh, Crafty studio vlog. I'm showing you some beautiful snow globes that I make, but I call them Dee Dee's Wonder Globe, and they're really cool. And this is what I made in 2016. If you can see that right there, it looks kind of cool. This is not the best artwork. I got inspired by this one by a gorgeous girl drawing that I saw, or a stamp. I love it. She's sitting in front of a horse, a rocking horse. This is really cool. Kind of amazing to look at, you guys. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. It's not the best artwork, but I still loved it. I still did it. I still did a video on it. So go watch that video on my channel. I would appreciate it. It's an old video, as you can tell by the date. Just love the concept of this Wonder Globe. It's just really cool. I think it should have made her a little bit smaller, but I do love it anyways. It's really cool, and I love the hearts, even though the heart's not placed right, but we're still learning back in the day. We're still learning now. So thanks for watching this video, you guys. I hope you appreciate me showing my old artwork. If I can speak, I'm going to be doing a sketchbook tour very soon, but not for this one, I don't think, unless I finish it before then. And this is 2017. It's a little bit better than this one, as you can tell. Let's do like this a little bit. Compare. The circle's not right there, but you can tell the circle's getting really better right here. I love this artwork. The only thing I don't like about this, in my opinion, is the little girl or the person that's way too big for the drawing. She needs to be a little bit smaller, but maybe that small. But other than that, it's kind of the same thing. She's kind of like in the woods. These are supposed to be trees, or you know, the woods back there and trees. And this is a snowman right here, and that's just a horse behind her, and that's supposed to be like a winter balloon thing. And then over here's a tree, and there's a house, but it's kind of the same. It's kind of like there's the snow, and there's the snow down here, but she's a little bit smaller. I like her outfit a little bit better. The same colors, you can tell, the same purple and red, and I love her hair. That's really cute. I love this hair a little bit better, but that's just like a comparison of those two. And I think it works a little bit. I think the bottom's a little bit, you know, not right, but that's okay. We're going to do a whole video about this in a few days anyway. So let's move on to the next one I want to show you. Hope you guys are having a great day. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'm glad I'm showing you these before I do the video. This is a sneak peek for you guys. Find this Dee Dee's Winter Wonder Globe is 2018. So this is what she looks like. She's way too big for the snow globe. You can just tell, you guys, that her hair is totally messy. But one thing I like about this drawing is I love her eyes, how piercing they look. And that's about it, I guess. Or maybe there's snow on the bottom. And I do like this cool like snowflake I made. But other than that, it's not the best. And I like the snowflake down here too. It's called Snowflake Kisses. She's really cool. I would love to redraw this over again, but I don't know what I'm going to do for this year, what this year's theme is going to be, but it's going to be fun, you guys. So hopefully it is. And I can't wait to finish this sketchbook finally so I can move on, but yeah. We're going to talk about some other drawings. Here's another one going down memory lane of Dee Dee's Winter Wonder Globes. This is 2020, right during the pandemic. I made one when she's inside of Snow Globe and it cracked. And there's a band-aid trying to cover it. And this is supposed to be a hospital and housing, but that don't look the best. I could have drew that way better than that. She looks cuter. Her outfit looks cuter. Her hair looks better. I like her hands, but this could have been a lot better, even though I do like it, though. The bottom right here, I just put it like that. I just love this way of drawing. And I love the snow, how I place the snow. And I use a lot of glitter on this, like the other ones I got. So this is the 2020. I just love it. In 2021, I did not finish, but it's getting so much better. You can tell by looking at it. This is a sketch, you guys. The sketch looks great. I love it. Mysterious Snowflake. I got this idea from this Five Below perfume called Mysterious Rainbow. And I said, oh, I'm going to do a snowflake version. So, yay. So cute, right? I love it. I can't wait to finish this and do the one from a couple years ago and also finish one for this year. So thanks for watching this video, you guys. I had so much fun talking to you. Watching this crafty vlog's kind of short, you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm still decorating my room, as you can see right here. So I really don't have a craft room or a craft studio, none of that stuff, or art studio. I just say it is because I think it's fun. And I just have a table and a couple things here to do some things. I'm watching Super Friends right now, and I'm going to have some fun watching some cartoons. I love cartoons, I love animation, and I'm going to watch them. I don't care if I'm 90 years old, I'll still watch it. So thanks for watching this video. I had so much fun telling you what I'm going to be doing. I'm doing some sneak peeks in this video, so watch the whole video. And I'm doing another Dee Dee's Winter Wonder Globe. It's going to be fun. I hope I can get it done before January 1st because I want to do it in December. I almost said November. So thanks so much, you guys. Keep crafting no matter what.